Is cryptocurrency just a fad, a fleeting trend that will soon crash and burn, leaving investors in the dust? Not quite. With an increasing number of businesses accepting crypto and governments exploring digital currencies, it's safe to say that the world of cryptocurrency is here to stay. But how does one get started in crypto investing? Here's a step-by-step guide to help navigate this digital frontier. Step 1. Educate yourself. Before diving headfirst into the pool of cryptocurrency, it's crucial to understand what crypto is and how it works. It's a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. It's decentralized and operates on a technology called blockchain. Step 2. Choose the right cryptocurrency. Bitcoin may be the most well-known, but there are over 4,000 cryptocurrencies available for investment. Each has its own potential for growth and risk, so it's important to research and choose wisely. Step 3. Select a crypto exchange. This is the platform where you'll buy and sell your cryptocurrencies. Look for an exchange that's reputable, secure, and easy to use. Some popular ones include Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. Step 4. Create an account on your chosen exchange. You'll need to provide some personal information and go through a verification process. Once verified, you're ready to start trading. Step 5. Secure your investment. Cryptocurrencies are stored in a digital wallet. Some exchanges provide a wallet, but it's also possible to have an external one. It's crucial to keep your wallet secure, as it holds the keys to your cryptocurrencies. Step 6. Start small. As with any investment, it's wise to start small and gradually increase your investment as you gain more knowledge and experience. Step 7. Keep learning and stay updated. The world of cryptocurrency is dynamic and constantly evolving. Stay informed about market trends, new cryptocurrencies, and technological advancements. So to debunk the misconception, investing in cryptocurrency isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, research, and understanding. It's not just about buying low and selling high. It's about knowing the market, understanding the technology, and making informed decisions. Remember, educate yourself first. Choose the right cryptocurrency. Select a trusted exchange. Secure your investments. Start small and keep learning. This is the pathway to a successful journey in the crypto world. The world of cryptocurrency is vast and fascinating, waiting to be explored. So, gear up and step into the future of finance. As we delve deeper into the world of cryptocurrency, it's crucial to understand that the crypto market, like any other market, moves in patterns. These patterns can give us clues about potential market trends and help us make informed investment decisions. First, let's talk about bullish and bearish patterns. A bullish pattern indicates that the price of a cryptocurrency is likely to rise, while a bearish pattern suggests that the price may fall. Recognizing these patterns can help you anticipate market trends and make strategic investment decisions. Next, we have consolidation patterns. These patterns occur when the market is undecided. The price of the cryptocurrency fluctuates within a specific range for a while, but it's unclear whether it will go up or down. During these periods, it's often best to wait and watch the market closely until a clear trend emerges. Lastly, we have breakout patterns. These patterns signal that a significant price movement is likely on the horizon. A breakout occurs when the price of a cryptocurrency moves outside a defined support or resistance level with increased volume. A breakout pattern can indicate the start of a new trend. By understanding these patterns, you can anticipate market movements and make smarter investment decisions. But remember, while these patterns can provide valuable insights, they're not foolproof. The world of cryptocurrency is unpredictable and volatile. So, always do your research, stay informed, and invest wisely. In the next scene, we'll delve into some advanced strategies for investing in cryptocurrency. But for now, keep these patterns in mind as you navigate this exciting digital frontier.